Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel serverless function errors on Vercel in 2026. So if your API is failing, returning 500 errors, or your functions are not responding, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open your Vercel dashboard and go to your project. Then click on the Functions or Deployment Logs section and check the exact error message. Next, carefully read the logs. Most serverless function errors come from missing dependencies, incorrect imports, or runtime crashes. Now go to your code and check your API or function file. Make sure your export format is correct and there are no syntax mistakes. Next, verify that all required packages are installed. If something is missing, reinstall dependencies using your terminal and redeploy. Now check your environment variables. Missing API keys or incorrect values can easily break serverless functions. Next, confirm your function timeout settings. If your function takes too long, it may fail due to execution limits. Now make sure your request and response handling is correct, especially for JSON responses and async functions. Next, redeploy your project after fixing the issues and wait for the build to complete. Also test your endpoint using browser or API tools to confirm it is returning the correct response. Finally, check the logs again to ensure there are no remaining errors. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Vercel serverless function errors. Now your APIs should run smoothly without crashes. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.